Hiya loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing slash review of my recent Modibodi purchase. So for those of you who might not know, Modibodi is a leading UK brand basically for period pants and a more ethical sort of period wear, if that makes sense. The idea of them is that instead of buying, 20 pads, you buy one pair of pants and then wash them and reuse them, and sort of reduce the amount of waste you're getting rid of. I started looking into these brands, I would say about 3 months ago, and there was loads in the UK, but I was like, well, how do I know which one to go with? But Modibodi came very highly recommended, and to be honest, I just really liked the designs of them. Like, there were a lot of other brands where they were quite plain, and I was like, well, I like funky knickers, so I want funky period pants. So basically today we're going to take a look at the first 2 pairs of period pants that I've ordered, and I'll tell you a little bit about them, and then a bit later on in the video I'll wear them for a bit and then I'll review them. So yeah, I'm quite excited. I've never done anything like this, but yeah, let's go for it. First one that I'm going to open is the Sensual high waist bikini. This is the heavy slash overnight pair. I got the small, which is the equivalent of a size 10 in black. They are apparently true to size, true to fit, or whatever you want to say. So let's open them. I'm so excited. Oh, they feel very nice. Okay, I see. They look massive, but they're actually not. Very nice material, actually. They're quite soft. I like this design on the top. Sort of like a little bit lacy, got a nice little sort of florally pattern there. You can see and feel where the thicker, more absorbent part of the knicker is. But yeah, first impressions, they seem great. I'm loving those. You basically want to wash them on a cool wash. Once you've worn them, if you just rinse them before you wash them until the water runs clear, that'll be perfect. That's all you need to do. Then stick them in a delicates bag. If you don't have a delicates bag, which you can buy on their website by the way, then you can literally just pop them into like a pillowcase, or maybe you've already got a delicates bag at home. That is absolutely fine, and then you can just wash them, and they will still have the same elasticity and same sort of absorbency. They're not going to lose absorbency, but it's really good to sort of start as you mean to go on. Rinse them thoroughly before you wash them, so you can get a really long lasting pair of period pants. I'm just going to reiterate which ones they were. Those were the Sensual high waist bikini period pants. They are heavy and overnight period pants, so they have this on them. It's like 4 little droplets, so that means that they are for heavy flows or overnight wear. Amazing. Oh, the next one. This is like a really cool colour. So these are the classic bikini pair for heavy flows or overnight wear, size small or 10, whichever. I did do all the measurements and things like that to make sure that it was the right size for me, because you just want to make sure that you've got the right pair, especially when it's the first set of period pants you're buying. Like, you don't want to get them and then be too big or too small. Anyway, yeah, these are the Barcelona colour. So let's take a look. Also really love the fact that the back of the packaging has like full instructions on how to wash them and care for them. I think that's a really good idea. Plus it's recyclable. Right, let's have a look. Oh, I do like this colour. Okay, here we go. Really nice. Now this is it's really obvious on these where the absorbent bit is. What does it say on here? P and period proof. P and period proof. That is a tongue twister. Yeah, really like these. Love the colour. I also love that they've got Modibodi on the sort of elastic bit at the top of the knicker. They are really soft. Like, I just love this material. I think first impressions, 10 out of 10, I'm loving them. So yeah, those are the period pants basically. Just to reiterate which one those were, if you're interested, these were the classic bikini in the Barcelona colour. I personally went with 2 pairs of the heavy slash overnight period pants, and that's because I tend to get quite heavy flows on my period. So, you know, getting the light ones, for example, just for like light flows, it wasn't really worth it for me. So if I really enjoy using these and I think they're worth it, I will probably get another pair. It is worth mentioning that they are, at first glance, they seem a little bit pricey. Like, I think both of these came to 40 something pounds. I'm not sure exactly. I will try and put it on the screen for you, because I can't remember. But that being said, you are going to get a lot of use out of them. So it works out quite well, really. And in the long run, you know, it is an investment and you will save money, as opposed to buying, you know, tampons or pads or whatever. That being said, I am still using some sanitary pads. I'm still using Time of the Month, Kind, Flow. All of those are available at either regular supermarkets like Tesco. You can get them in Boots, in Superdrug. Superdrug have started doing their own sort of eco-friendly sanitary wear range. They've got like a menstrual cup, they've got pads. I think they've got period pants as well. I think period pants have started cropping up now in a lot of sort of health shops on the high street. I know Holland and Barrett have started selling some, but obviously they've got limited choices. So yeah, just check out your options. You know, like I've said, I did my research over a matter of months and I found that Modibodi were the ones that I wanted to go with. But you might have a look at them and go, oh no, these aren't for me. So do your research, see what designs you like. You know, you want to feel fabulous when you're wearing these period pants. And I think in these Barcelona ones, I'm definitely going to feel fabulous. So yeah, I'm going to go get myself ready for the day. I'm going to pick one of these to put on today. I think I might go with the Barcelona classic bikini to begin with. I'm going to see what these are like today, and I'll try the others tomorrow. And then I'll report back to you and let you know what they were like. So yeah, have a great day and I will see you very shortly. Hey guys, so I'm back. It is about 8 o'clock in the evening, I think. Let me check. Oh, it's 8:30. I wanted to report back and tell you how it's been wearing the Barcelona pair of Modibodis. They were very, very comfortable, true to size, so they definitely fit me very well, a size 10. Definitely check out the measurement guide on the website because it was really useful. One thing that I did notice today was that my flow was visible on the outside of the pants, so I was slightly concerned by that. And I was like, oh no, like are they not working? Like, have I done something wrong? Obviously I can't help my flow, that is what it is. But one thing that I did need to do, which I didn't and forgot, was that you're supposed to wash them before you use them, just to get the sort of absorbency started up, if you will. So I didn't do that, which could have been why it went through them, basically. That being said, it didn't stain any of my clothes or anything like that, so that was really good. And what I did after about probably 7 hours of wearing them, I think, I took them off, rinsed them as is what you're supposed to do, and waited until the water ran clear, and the mark, which was actually quite big on the bottom of the pants, actually went away completely. So I was like, okay, I think we're back on track now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash both of the pants together, probably either tonight or tomorrow morning, so then I can dry them and give them another go tomorrow. And I might try the black ones, the sensual ones, next time, so I can see what the difference is in the style. But yeah, I just wanted to report back. It's been a bit of a whirlwind of a day, bit of an emotional one, as is almost every day on my period, and every other day in fact. Probably said about a million times, but I think that's just the brain fog. So yes, anyway, I'm gonna chill out this evening and I will report back again tomorrow to let you know how the wash went and hopefully how the second wear went. Morning guys, it is the next day and I am really excited to try out my other pair of Modibodi pants. They are currently drying on the washing line. I think they've washed pretty well, so yeah, we're gonna give them a go today and see what happens. Hey guys, so I just wanted to check in as it is now day 3 of wearing my Modibodi pants. Basically day 2 did not go as planned. It took most of the day of my Modibodis being hung on the washing line outside for them to dry. So I thought, okay, this is a great chance for me to try wearing them overnight and then have a full day of wearing one of the pairs on the 3rd day, meaning today. So that is basically what I did. The high-waisted black pair, I believe they are the sensual ones. I could be wrong. I can't find the packet, so I'm not sure for definite. I think that's what I said. I think out of the 2 that I got, the high-waisted ones were definitely my favourite. There's just something about wearing high-waisted knickers and period pants that makes them flattering. Like, they're a lot more flattering than like the classic bikini shape. That being said, they're both very secure. When you put them on, you feel very secure and you feel very comfortable. I love the material that they use. It feels really, really good quality. Like, you know, you're getting what you pay for. The quality is there. Yeah, I'm genuinely really, really happy with them. If you're watching this and you are thinking of getting some yourself, then please do wash them before you wear them. Do not make the mistake that I made. Once I washed them, they were absolutely fine. I had no leaks or no stains or anything like that. They haven't stained at all from the first mishap I had. But yeah, they're just really, really comfortable, and once you rinse them out after you've worn them, they're good to wash then, and it's just that on repeat basically from here on out. I am still using pads, partly because I didn't want to buy like tons of pairs of period pants in case they weren't for me, because, you know, I might have bought them and they might not have been right for me and what I need. But so far so good. I'm really happy with their performance. So yeah, go and check out Modibodi. They're like, I think they're the UK's leading brand for period pants, and I do genuinely think that there's something on there for everybody's sort of pocket in terms of affordability. So yeah, they're really cool. I think you should go and be an eco warrior and buy some. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching, supporting, and I do hope that you go and check out Modibodi because they're an amazing brand. Leave a like on the video, comment down below if you've tried them yourself or if you've tried any other eco-friendly period care stuff. I'd love to know, genuinely I would. But yeah, until the next time guys, I love you and leave you, and I'm gonna go and sleep now. Bye.